Yes, se le buque.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Howdy, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, here we go.
We're cow tipping!
Probably just a bad
A champion needs speed.
Let's stop.
Luigi, get our friend your best.
Only the best.
Big up.
Oh, yes.
Well done. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line. Okay.
Oh boy, here we go.
It takes more than your tires to win a race. I'm your crew chief. I'll tell you when to pitch it hard. Get it into the groove.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for the money.
Tell me what you got, kid.
We won!
Y'all come back and I'll teach you my patented backward drive.
Think that'll help?
If they want to come from behind to win.
Wow! Great race, everybody.
new friends is way better than a trophy. Can't talk with a trophy. Can't get a tractor tipping with no trophy. You can't.
Later.
I'm done.